Now, it has come to my attention that I use way too many descriptive words when I'm talking about the zigzag stitch, and I tell you what it does, but not what it actually looks like. Locks in your seam, prevents fraying, blah, 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 blah. But you know what's even more helpful? This. It looks like this. And this right here is how you get it. I've got my machine width set to 5 so that the needle will go side to side as wide as possible to clear the entire edge of my garment. And I have the stitch length set to 2 so that the zigzags are far enough apart. They're not too far apart, but they're also not too short and close together. Now, if you set your stitch length way too short, but your stitch width is fine, your stitches are gonna look like this. They're gonna be way too close together, and it's really, really uncomfortable. And you kind of just waste a lot of thread too. And if you set the stitch width way too narrow, but your stitch length is fine, then that needle isn't even gonna go side to side very much at all. And as you can see, it basically just looks like a straight stitch. After you are done with your straight stitch and you've cut off all that extra fabric, take your garment and line it up so that the edge is directly in the middle of the presser foot. Make sure that needle clears the whole edge, and when you were done, it should look like this. Now, sometimes it can come out a little bit wavy and can kind of look a little weird, and if that happens, that's okay. Get some starch and iron that bad boy down. And that's all there is to it. SD out, deuces!